Hi everybody, it's Artist King here and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you joined me today. I have something that's a little bit different that I am going to try and do today. So I'm using actually a canvas board, and so I got 3 different shades of blue, I think. Yeah. So I'm using a little sponge, a decorative sponge, to decorate the outside of this board. So I'm just kind of dabbing it, trying to make like a little pattern. But if you're trying something like this, you could do it however you want. You could use tape, you could use lines, you could use a brush, you could however you want to do it to get your background done. Sometimes when I'm doing mixed media, I try to use the paper that you stick and then you paint over it. But for me, for some reason, I do not really like how that turns out, because the paper never stays down and it just looks bulky and kind of uneven. So every now and then I'll use paper, but I really prefer to just try and decorate the background with something, a sponge or a scraper or something like that, that could really make it stand out. And I think that's what I did here. So I thought I would use gold with this just to give it a different color combination to what I normally do. So I found a rose, a picture of a rose. Well, sorry, not a picture, a stencil, because y'all know I'm all about the stencils. So I used that stencil to put some roses in gold. So that's what I'm doing here, putting the roses in gold. I thought it would make for a little, something a little bit different. So I spent time putting a whole bunch of golden roses. I didn't really set out with a set pattern, so I just kind of tried to fill up all the spaces as much as I could with the golden roses. I just love the way that gold stands out on this blue. So now I'm using some more stencils with some inspiring words like, as you can see, be happy, inspire, love, happiness, all that kind of good stuff to kind of, so I guess put a little message on the background. So yeah, that's what I tried to do with this one. Yeah, so there's with all the words and the gold. I think it looks pretty good. So I do have this drawing that I did when I first started out drawing and learning all about art and stuff like that, I had this drawing of a guy that I had that I thought I would use on this piece, but I thought I'd put some more color on there before. So I think I'm using like a lilac. Yeah, I'm using a lilac to put some other, I don't even know what that's supposed to be, but it's part of a bigger stencil that I decided to use just that one portion to put some more color on there. So that's kind of what I'm doing, more color and a little bit of texture to it. So there's the picture of the gentleman. I believe it started off, it's supposed to be a guy, I'm not even sure right now. But I started off doing this, and I've always kept the drawings because I tend to not throw away work that I've done before, or you know. So so that's what I did here. I put some gel medium behind it so it would stick to the canvas board. See, I used my craft knife and I cut out the, you know, the image, just the image of the face. And I decided I have a whole bunch of these pencil drawings. I think I'm gonna do some pieces with them and incorporate something in the background, or something that could help bring it out, or just do certain colors that I know will kind of bring out the drawing. So that's what I tried to do here. But this one was hard for the gel medium. At first it wasn't sticking. I had some trouble getting it to stick. So you may use gel medium. Mod Podge is something that I've used before, and that does really well. I just decided this time to try something new that didn't really work the way I wanted it to work. So I had to go back in and put more underneath and just make sure that it wasn't like raised up. So then I thought I'd use my scraper to scrape, you know, to make sure the gel medium was on there real good and that it would actually stick to the surface. So that's what I'm doing right there. Yeah, I thought that would help it stick, and it did. It did. You just had to wipe up around the edges, but it did stick very well. There you go. That made it kind of lie down, stick down on the surface, which, like I said, it helped. It turned out pretty good. So yeah, so anyway, I think I'm almost down to the end of this video. Yeah, I don't think there's much. I didn't do very much with it after this. I think I added one more bit of texture to it with some modeling paste. I think I did put some modeling paste on here coming down to the end. But anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I really do. I even added some distressed ink to kind of age the picture a little bit. So, you know, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I post, please, you know, keep in mind that I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I'm doing my best to grow this channel. So I invite you to like and subscribe, most of all subscribe, and continue coming back and looking at these videos. I'm trying to do different things that would keep you interested. So I hope to see you again. So to my subscribers who keep coming back, I am super grateful to you for what you're doing, for your helping me to grow my channel. So as of right now, guys, there's a little piece to go yet. It's, you know, still from the video. So I will tell you thank you for watching right now, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye now.